So you're an empath, is what I'm seeing here. That's what came out. That's what came out. Empath. So you feel others' emotions deeply. People don't even have to tell you what they got going on. You already know something is in the midst. You can feel energies. You can feel people out. You're very sensitive. What I'm showing here in the past that you guys had to set higher expectations is what I'm showing here. I feel like you may have been low on your self-worth with this expectation and self-worth card, and it took some sort of growth. Is what I'm showing here throughout the summer months. It seems like you guys were definitely on some sort of healing journey. I'm also seeing like there was an energy, or there with this sun, it talks about a lot of things being illuminated. It seems like an energy of being free or feeling free. There's energy of joy or happiness or searching within for some sort of joy or happiness. And I'm seeing you guys are in this energy of creation, creating. There's an energy of self-love. A lot of things that you're doing is definitely strictly, I ain't gonna say definitely, strictly uh intentional. You put a lot of time, energy into yourself. A lot of you guys may be spending a lot of time near water or something that's connected to water, or maybe you've been drinking water, or maybe you need to drink more water or something. Or you could possibly be a water sign. Water could be in your chart, sun, moon, rising, or Venus. This could also talk about a lot of healing of emotions. That's what I see with this self love. I'm seeing a lot of emotional growth, emotional healing. Okay. Yeah. I'm seeing you guys going through some sort of rebirth. That's what I'm showing here, or going through a rebirth. There is some sort of transformation throughout the winter. We are currently in winter months. So it looks like you guys are definitely going through some sort of transformation from what I'm seeing here. Clarify the self worth energy. Clarify self worth. Whoever you are, you could possibly have fire in your chart, sun, moon, rising, or Venus. Wait a minute, self-worth. Or you could have possibly been dealing with a fire sign or something like that. Strong Aries energy with this King of Wands energy. I'm showing that there is or was some sort of connection with the Two of Cups here. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, I'm seeing like there is a lot of conflict, or was a lot of conflict in this connection. Some sort of disagreement, or you could possibly be an Aries or some sort of fire sign, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. But I'm definitely seeing whatever this is, especially when it comes with you setting high expectation and knowing your worth, it definitely require for you to be patient as things are coming into balance. It looked like there was an energy of someone making you as an option, or try to treat you as an option, or creating a lot of stress, or putting you in a situation where there was some sort of stressful decision that you need to make, some sort of possible, some sort of painful choice that you had to, make or choose, where you had no choice but to do something that you possibly did not want to do. You get what I'm saying? All right. It required for you to, I feel like this is an energy of you guys moving on, because I'm seeing an energy of you having to compromise and forgive and move on. And this forgiveness is not for them, it's for you. Clarify this growth. Clarify this growth. Clarifying this growth is letting me know that a lot of things, so again, a lot of things that were hidden were possibly revealed, is what I'm showing here with the moon in reverse. It definitely came out clarifying this growth. I'm seeing an energy of the unveiling, okay? There's a release of all fears that you may have possibly experienced with whoever this person is, okay? It seems like you gained a lot of truth, all right? Especially when it comes to some sort of deception that there were. All right. And I see you guys transitioning with the Six of Wands. There's an energy of you being moved to calmer waters. Okay. This is like an energy of you overcoming some sort of hardship. There is some sort of calm after the storm as you guys are moving towards this energy of stability. It looked like there's an energy of someone's in regret, you guys. There's an energy of somebody in regret with this Four Cups. And I see you guys refusing some sort of offer that they're trying to extend to you. I don't know if somebody's trying to get back into your good grace or something like that, but I'm definitely seeing this as a missed opportunity. This person broke your heart. Yeah, this person broke your heart in some sort of fashion, which caused some sort of division, caused the separation. Yeah, definitely. I'm seeing energy of unhappiness and grief. All right. But yeah, there is definitely some sort of breakup. There is a breakup, or there possibly was some sort of breakup, or there will be a breakup. Energy is fluid, could be past, present, or future. And with that being said, I am Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Gratitude for hitting the like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a family. I mean, it could be a masculine or it could be a feminine energy. Okay. I said a family. Take it whatever way it resonates, okay? But yeah, like I said, there was definitely some sort of heartache, some sort of separation, some sort of sorrow and grief. All right, let's go ahead and clarify this self-love energy. Clarifying the self-love energy is almost like an energy of somebody trying to take from you. Okay, there's an energy of someone that's wanting to deceive you in some form of fashion here. I don't know. There's an energy of sneaky energy is here. Clarify this self-love energy. Hmm. Clarify the self-love with this sneaky energy. Mm. Ah. So it's almost like the energy of somebody trying to, you got the Ten of Pentacles out here. Clarifying the Seven of Swords is the Ten of Pentacles. Somebody's trying to steal your abundance, some sort of generational wealth or some sort of large income or something that you have created or creating out of intention. Yeah, because of the self-love and you're doing it with intention. It seems like somebody's trying to betray you, steal from you, trying to take some sort of finances from you. This could be like some sort of level up or something like that. It's almost like an energy of someone trying to trap you. It's like they want to take from you and put you in a situation or keep you in a situation where you are trapped or stuck, helpless, hopeless. Yeah, this is definitely an energy from like a nostalgic energy. This could definitely be someone from your past. This could be like an ex or something like that. I'm seeing them coming out as a magician. I don't know if this person could possibly be doing like some sort of magic or something like that. What is this? Could they possibly be doing magic or something? I don't know, because it seems like this is the energy of someone that's continuously trying to hold on to you. I feel like this person is trying to keep some sort of, I don't know, it's like control and very possessive. I don't know, it's like they're trying to hold on to your energy, and it looks like you are coming out as the high priestess. You're very psychic. You have a strong inner knowing. I feel like you possibly also feel this person trying to continue to hold on to you and keep some sort of hold on you, or trying to stay in your energy, or trying to feed off of you, or you get what I'm saying, or try to continue to keep trying to tug on your energy as you're going through some sort of transformation. Yeah, because I see you guys moving up, moving forward, moving ahead, moving up. All right. After severing ties with this person, like I stated before, with this rebirth, you're going through a total transformation currently. I'm seeing you standing in your power. All right. It seems like you overcame a lot of self-doubt, and I'm seeing an energy of you being simply focused at this present time. And with with you being focused, I am seeing an energy of you guys celebrating. There is some sort of celebration, and someone is going to be left out. Someone is going to be left out. There's an energy of someone mourning and feeling left out, especially when it comes to some sort of celebration. Okay, especially when it comes to you. And it seems like whoever you are, you might have some sort of following or something, especially when it comes to the community, or have a community of people behind you. I'm showing there is a Queen of Cups out here. Cancer could be definitely be significant as well. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, place whatever way it needs to be. I'm definitely seeing like there is the Death card here. It's talking about some sort of spiritual transformation. There's an energy of someone letting something go, letting someone go for some sort of new beginning. That's what I'm seeing here. And I'm seeing like there was a lot of self-sabotage, a lot of self-sabotaging behavior, um, underhanded behavior, especially when it comes to your energy that was in your energy. Somebody could possibly have Earth in their chart, strong Virgo. Capricorn towards Virgo could definitely be significant, but I'm definitely seeing you being happy in the end with the Nine of Cups with this wish come true. I'm seeing an energy of some sort of fulfillment, and it's look like it's gaining momentum. There's an energy of haste and speed, especially when it comes to you letting things go and viewing things from a different perspective. It was a need to release and and learn some sort of lesson. I'm seeing people in the Nine of Swords. There's a lot of anxiety, regret, and negativity that they may be experiencing. I'm seeing a high stress and unhappiness and burdens that people are experiencing, you guys. Anything else? Yeah. And you found it's like there's an energy of you like found a way out. Is what I'm seeing here. Okay, there's energy of you guys possibly at a period of time you were possibly in this energy of isolation. You guys are coming out of isolation. You guys are coming out of solitude. It seems like you were going through some sort of awakening or something like that. It seems like you were in this energy of isolation as you were obtaining or receiving information or downloads from the Most High. about people, places, and things that were possibly in your energy for you to release. So, like I stated before, there is definitely, like I said, you might have been a fire sign, or maybe there was a fire sign in your energy. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. We have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Could definitely be significant. Pisces could be significant. All right. We have the death card. Scorpio could definitely be significant. Gemini could definitely be. Aquarius, Libra could definitely be significant for what I'm seeing here. Pisces, more Cancer, Leo. All right. More Cancer, Aries, Sagittarius could definitely be significant. Let's go ahead and find out a closing message. What else do we need to know, please, Spirit? What is our closing message? Because yeah, I feel like that whatever cycle that is definitely closed out. You don't want definitely went through a lot being an empath. A lot of people thought that they were like getting over on you. All right. Thought that they were going to be able to do a lot of underhanded things and you would never find out about it. The whole time you're coming out as the high priestess, which lets me know that a lot of things that are hidden is always revealed to you. It's always going to be revealed to you. Look, reflection is what I'm saying here. Deep introspection is needed. The answers lie in understanding your past and present. Take time to journal, meditate, or analyze patterns in your life for insight and clarity. At the bottom of the deck, I am saying realization. A moment of realization shifts everything. A single insight can change your entire path. Reflect on what belief is limiting you. Okay, shift it and open new doors of possibilities. So realization and reflection. That's what I'm saying. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love